Oh my god.
Well, it's probably can't drive it, honestly.
I'll get it.
Cat's out of the bag now.
Yep. Smells like coolant.
There's a plug that's your sensor. Not in.
The one of one hood.
One of one lids.
Makes all the cool stuff for himself.
Us peasants over here.
I know. Although he's still rocking an AN line, so.
Yeah, we're gonna fix that.
Yeah.
Red and blue fitting is real cool in 2001.
Yeah, seriously.
We're redoing a lot of stuff on this thing. Not just the motor. Doing a triple 4 setup in it with the fuel pumps, meth. Same thing as Tom's, but solid oil. Yep. LSR 427, F310 Frankenstein heads, titanium intake valve, Inconel exhaust valve, R-cam, Johnson link bar lifters, 1/2-inch head studs, fire ring. Really no expense spared at all. I mean, this is, don't get any better than this, to be honest with you. That's what when I was talking about in other videos of building a badass motor, this is it right here. This is the little brother motor of what's coming and something else that's coming up soon. And we'll say what it is, and these two are in competition with each other.
Oh, poor
hey,
thing.
Snell, I got the window up for you. Oh, you did? Yeah, I did. How the fuck did you do that? I just put the battery on.
Let's start ripping this fucking shit out of here.
Is it for sale yet?
Absolutely.
Is it really?
Don't open that door
Yeah,
too much, you might hit that fuel tank.
Check it out. Yeah. Nice interior, bro. Where'd you get that?
Fellas, you're gonna have fun with this.
I know I am. It's gonna be real fucking
How
fun.
fucked up is it in there?
Once we take the airbags out, the headliner should tuck right back in.
It smells like chemicals in here.
It does, doesn't it? Smells like airbag explosion.
This poor thing. Look at the puddle. Look at the puddle in the bead lock.
Of the trans fluid.
Just a little puddle of water, you know, just the sad.
Damn.
Just mosquitoes living in that shit.
She gonna get a nice bath.
Yeah.
Dell, your car sure knows how to party. Jeez. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, when you look at
Who's
the
got a
back-
light? Who's got a flashlight?
Who's got the flashlight?
I'm the only one here.
Shine that sucker.
Oh!
Up top. Oh my goodness. See ya.
Oh, baby.
Dude. Dude, there's a hole right here. Right all the way right here. Dude, I feel like this is like Christmas time.
Oh my fucking god, dude. Wow.
Oh my god.
Was that JB Weld I was talking about? You said that's some good shit, right?
Say we're waiting on the converter though.
Yeah, I was about to say, why is that converter still in your trans?
It just came. It came. It came with a new one. Yeah.
I don't trust him at all. Look at that Baja truck. Just takes curb, no problem. Takes the curb, no problem. There he is. Hey, Bob. What you got?
Some chicken strips.
Where from? Wawa? Wawa units? I just had me a
Of course.
mac and cheese. Okay, okay.
Holy shit!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Here, let me show everybody your secrets.
Ain't nothing to it. Head cam CTS. Stage 4. Fuzz was wrong. Stage 4.
Fuzz built stage 4.
Fuzz built stage 4. Export.
Stock motor, stock train, stock converter.
It's almost like full bolt-on heads cam.
Yeah, that's really it.
I think we'll be tapping out around E50 because the injector's on it.
So you need more injector before he can go back full E85?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's on E50 right now.
So mate, 828, 6600 on E50. Not bad. So now if you're in this guy's shoes, right, and you get it back from us and it's making 850 around that range, and he wants to run straight E85. Once he gets new injectors, would he need to build his motor, or could he turn it up a little bit
No.
and squeeze a little bit more
honestly,
out of
there's
it?
not a big difference between E50 and E85. I kind of tell everyone, like, well, in this power level, I should say.
Right.
Very minimal, if any. On E50 and meth, there is no difference between
Right, because
fully-
the meth is almost like,
Yeah,
you know, the
so-
other half.
between, that's why we do all these LT4s and like E40, E5, E50, and meth. I mean, you're good as long as you can get the mixture right. You're not going to make any more on full 85. People want to put full 85 in their car, but I'm like, it's a lot more money for no gain.
Right.
So it's like,
Right.
this would handle full E just by putting injectors in it.
Right.
He got work done 2 years ago, and we put a smaller injector in it. And I don't know if you ever planned on making this much, but
Right,
he came
right.
back after 2 years, and here we are. And I knew I was going to make this with on E50 though, you know,
Right.
so there's no sense of really. If he wants to crank it up a 20 or 30 wheel more horsepower, then we could probably squeeze that out of it compared to E50. I'll keep the timing lower than 2 to 3 degrees lower than what it would be on full E. So, but yeah, I mean, stock engine and stock transmission territory is about it right here on these.
Right,
things.
right. So you're like right on the edge of glory.
Yeah, so I really don't care to make any more than what it's making. That was a little risk on that one too.
it made what I guessed. I was 3 horsepower off. I said 870 and made 873.
I said 875, I think. But I wasn't even.
Nah, fuck you.
But
See,
I said that
that's
to
bullshit.
his dad, too. I told his dad that it was going to make 875 by accident. Like, I didn't mean to let it roll out.
Damn, we're fucking pretty smart then.
No, he told me that earlier. I thought it was going to make like 900.
Just put himself out.
Oh, there's Bob.
Nobody said it.
Usually you don't see this part, but this is where I judge every run that I've made on this car. The 1044 is not this car, it's a past car, but anyways. And you overlay the air fuels and the torque and the fuel and compare whatever else it might be, logging boost or whatever it might be, to see if it picked up or lost or whatever.
Right.
But this dyno does like everything. Like it's got 8 EGT lungs in it. Really whatever, race pack thing for race. I mean, it's a lot of stuff for race cars. That's why I bought the thing.
Right.
But, it's nice.
And it's almost rated for pretty much any power level.
Yeah, I mean 6,000. So.
Yeah. Like, after that.
Yeah, it made more. Like you can tell right here, it made more on the white was the previous run, and this is 831 at that point into the run, not the final number, but that point 831 to 807. 11.1 to 1088 air fuel. It's still a little rich, so I'm gonna take a little bit of fuel out of it, but it's still climbing hard.
Yeah, no, that curve looks nice.
Yeah.
Looks like that'll feel nice.
Yep. That's our cams for you, our combos, I should say.
Yeah, I mean, most people probably, I don't know how many people really, but that last little blip right there, for you roll racing guys, you need that. You really need that right there. Not bad.
It might crack it.
Okay. All right, well, I said 900 first, so if it fucking makes 900, then my first guess was right.
Well, my very first guess was 950, so.
All right, well, you're over there.
I was thinking about a different call.
Okay, all right.
I just wanted 650 on one. I said,
All right. Oh, all right.
all right.
Check it out.
I ripped on that one pretty good there.
Yeah, no, it sounded, you could tell it just sounded a little bit more aggressive.
Didn't really pick up too much through there. It was a little leaner, 11.4, 11.1. I'm gonna keep it there, 11.4. It's a little different after you take them off the dyno. So I'll
Right.
probably rate 11.8 or so. 7100, baby. 7100.
898, 7100. Not bad.
That's real good. Right there.
You know, my guesses have been pretty good. I've been within like a couple horsepower.
That's real good.